Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Once again we are back after 1 week. So let's continue with the chapter lesson 3, that is major landform. On my last class I had explained about river valley. That what is river valley? River valley. What is river valley? I had already explained about this topic, that what is river valley. A river valley is a low-lying area between hills. It's called river valley. How this river valley is formed? This valley is formed due to the flowing of water, and it's usually formed U-shaped. U-shaped or V-shaped. Or V-shaped. You will think that how U-shaped and V-shaped. Have you seen river? How it's flowing? It's flowing like in this way. It's flowing like in this way. So how it's looking? Look at the side. That it's look like it's making the shape of a U. So river valley is a low-lying area between hills. Is called river valley, and this valley is formed due to the flowing of water, and when it's flowing, its sides just make a shape of U or V. So today I will explain about the features and importance of river valley. What is the features and importance of river valley? Let us discuss. Features of river valley. Features of river valley. So let's start. Valley has head. Head means from where the river begins, that part is called the head. From where it begins. Now second is it has side. It has side from where it's rise up on other side. As I have already said that it's generally from the U shape. How it's look. So this one is called the shaft, and which one is called the head? From where it's being in the hill, that part is called the head. Now let us write about the importance, about what is the importance of river valley. Why it is important? Importance. Do you know in olden days how people use drinking water? That time there is no ability of RO like now how the people are using RO like can this type. But that time in olden days people believed that the river water is a fresh water to drink, for drink. Like look, river most important thing that river valley is a source of fresh water, means which is suitable for also drinking. Okay. Second, they deposit fine silt route down along their bank. Which makes the soil fertile. They deposit fine silt. Silt is a type of sand, okay, which is very suitable, which helps to make the soil fertile. And why it is necessary? So why it is necessary the fertility of soil? For good irrigation. Okay, for good irrigation. Soil fertility is very important, very necessary for good irrigation. Okay, now I think there is no problem in this topic, river valley, what is the importance and what are the features of river valley. Now let us discuss about desert. Have you heard the name about desert? Let me to explain that what is desert. Desert. A desert is a huge land, or a desert is a huge area of land which is mostly covered by sand or rocks. In Hindi, what we used to say desert? Registan. Okay, have you heard this name? Registan? That one is called desert. Desert is a huge area of land which is mostly covered by sand and rocks. Okay, you have listened so many names of desert like Thar Desert, Arabian Desert, Sahara Desert, Atacama Desert, Kalahari Desert. These are the name of the deserts. Okay, so desert, what is desert? Desert is a huge area of land which is mostly covered by sand and rocks. Okay, now let us learn about the features of desert. What are the features of desert? Features of desert. Water is scarce. Water is scarce due to very less rainfall. what is the meaning of the word scarce? Means very limited. We found water in desert in a very limited amount. Okay, there is a very scarcity. There is a scarcity of water. Why there is a scarcity? Because due to very less rainfall. Next, vegetation is less in desert. Vegetation is less in desert. Why vegetation is less? The most important reason was scarcity of water. Scarcity of water. Due to the scarcity of water, vegetation in desert area is very less. Third point is dust storm. Dust storm are very common in desert. Dust storm is very common in desert. It form a hill. You have heard about the word sand dunes. What is the meaning of sand dunes? The hill which is formed by the sand is called sand dunes. And sand dunes, we generally see sand dunes in where? In desert area. Next, importance of desert. Importance of desert. In many parts of the desert, we find silica and aluminium. Many parts of desert are rich in silica and aluminium. Second, in desert, irrigation facilities are provided by constructing canal. Okay, so in this chapter what we have learned about the major landforms. We have already discussed about the topics mountain, river, valleys, desert and etc. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.